What's going on, guys? Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today is story time. So I recently purchased a 2019 911. This is a GTS, so a really awesome car, but we did full body color PPF on it with a new brand that we were trying out, and unfortunately the film was terrible. And so the reason I am making a video about this today is to tell you guys a story. When we bring products to the market, I always test the products on my own vehicles way before I bring it to you guys, the public. And this is to ensure that the products actually hold up really well. They do what they say they're gonna do. And you really don't know what it's like until you just try the product with your own money and you see with your eyes how good or bad a product is. Now, this 911, I was already easily over 100 hours deep into the paint protection project because we did do a bespoke install. But unfortunately, the project didn't go that good. After just a couple weeks, the film had already shown significant signs of failure. And finally, out of anger, I ripped off the film. I'm gonna show you what that looked like when I peeled it off. What the heck, man? Look at that, it's like it's not even on there. I want y'all to see this. Look how easy this comes off. It's like not even sticking. Look at this. I've never seen PPF. I mean, look at that. I've never seen PPF adhesive come off like that. It's like it's not even on there. That's it. Comes right off. It's ridiculous. Check this out. This is a hard, flat surface with a whole lot of sun. Look how easy it comes off. Look at that. It's not even hot. It's in the shade.
Yeah, like watch this.
Look at that.
Like we baked all of this in.
Look at that.
Like this is how much pressure I'm using, right? I'll use one finger.
Look at this, dude. Comes right off.
No adhesive whatsoever.
Yeah. Insane, dude. A hard baked top edge peeling off like that. That's ridiculous. Look at that. So now you guys have seen it. That's what bad film looks like when it peels. And unfortunately, again, my own dime and my own labor. I personally did that install, so I'm extra salty about it. Now, what brands do we trust, right? What brands have we seen do really well consistently and hold up to real wear and tear? The answer is Ultrafit. So we really like Ultrafit, a South Korean brand that has really held up good. Ultrafit, there's also another brand called Kaiser, or they're made by a big company called Avios. We've tried a lot of their stuff. Even Suntech, I don't know if you can see the box up there. That is a Suntech box. So Suntech holds up really well too. Suntech, Lumar, their products. But you only find out about, hey, what brand is great after putting your own money on the line and testing it and then stressing it to see what the products will do over time. So if you want to get a shop that installs quality product through true trial and error, not just like going off what the manufacturer says, you want to bring it to the pros. I put a lot of time, effort, money into these types of R&D type projects because I personally want to know, hey, what is really the best? But yeah, hey, it's Humble Auto Spa. That's what we're about. So if that's what you want on your car, people who really care about the service, bring it to us. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, signing out.